need a few things before we get started. 3 eggs, 1 cup of water, 1 stick of butter, 1 tablespoon of flour, and 1 ice frosting of your choice. Next, we're gonna need 1 cake mix, 1 mixer,
And of course,
and 1 mixing bowl.
before you bake, make sure to wash your hands. Usually next.
Oh, you have shell in there. Shells! You have 2 little shells.
Now you have 3 eggs and 2 cake batter. Oh, I want to pour some. And 1 cup of water.
Half and half. It's kind of heavy.
That's why it's slimy.
Stick it in there. And push this thing out.
Next, we blend it smooth.
Butter wrapper from later, and we're going to spread it around the pan.
Now I'm going to dump in some flour.
This helps the cake from sticking. Have we gonna put it in the oven?
And you can dance while you're eating. Now I'm going to put the icing on and sprinkles. Now I can grab some sprinkles.
Now it's time to taste it.
Mmm.
Delicious!
Thank you
for watching Gabbi and Jade.
Bye.
Bye.